Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm gonna be vlogging today and I have a baby upset. What is the matter, honey? They're just lounging around in their swings right now. Oh my gosh, honey. Your little onesie. These are 0 to 3 month onesies and there's obviously a lot of room in them, but the newborn ones are they're too long for a newborn now. So they pretty much are in 0 to 3, but as you can tell, 0 to 3 still swallows them. And then you must be getting tired, huh? She always holds her arms up here like this whenever she's tired. Yeah. So today I really want to do, it's raining right now and the lighting is not going to be good today, but today I really want to do a bake with me segment in this vlog. I want to try to make Aniston's birthday cupcakes for her birthday in mid-April. I want to trial run it today because if I can't do it, I will have to order some from the bakery and I need to make sure I have time to get some ordered. I'm gonna put you guys so I can show you what I got to do this. So I think I perfected the cake recipe. I found a how to make a box cake taste like a bakery cake idea on Pinterest, and I made the actual cupcakes and they taste really good, but I need to work on the frosting. So I ordered this from Amazon. It's by the brand called Wilton, and I think it's just like it's just a plastic froster, but the tips are steel. So here's what it can do. It was extremely budget friendly, like I think $8. So, and it had really good reviews, and I was nervous because it was cheap, but it had good reviews. But I need the fill like attachment because my plan is to make shark bite type cupcakes, which is a vanilla cupcake with a red filling for like blood, I guess, and then blue icing with a shark on top. And I ordered these sharks right here. This is more of like the baby shark look. And then here's the one with the sunglasses. So I ordered these to stick inside of the cupcakes. So that's my plan. Hopefully I can do it and it look nice, because I just don't want to go in there with like ugly cupcakes, I guess. I know the kids won't care, but I really just want to make them look nice since I'm doing them. And this is my first time making stuff for her birthday. I've always ordered, but I thought it would be fun maybe just to try to see if I could do it myself. So if I like this, you guys, I'll have it linked down below for you. I'll let you know how I like it, because it was pretty like cheap for what it does. So that will be fun when I start baking. I'm gonna start baking once they're down for their nap, because I take a long nap midday, normally around, it's 11:30, so normally they'll sleep from like 12 or 12:30 to 2:30 or 3. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy like the bake with me type things. I've never done like a bake with me because I'm not Betty Crocker. I'm a horrible baker. But right now I need to order some groceries to pick up tonight, and I need to kind of clean up the kitchen, because if I'm gonna bake something or be in here cooking, I really want to start with like a clean, very clean countertop area. So let's go ahead and do that.
Now don't be waiting, here's what you can find. Let's do whatever, what is on your mind. This is my kind of thing, so what you say? There's no tomorrow, it's too far away. Cause ooh, here's what we gon' do. Take it to the limit, there's no other way. And ooh, with you by my side, dive into the ocean, let me be your guide. If tonight never comes again, I don't mind. This is not the end, so come with me and just enjoy the ride. If we're gonna do what you gotta lose, what you gotta lose. Don't you care about what people have to say? Let's do whatever, we'll do it anyway. So come with me, all you need.
Okay, I'm getting ready to start, and I have to let this butter soften because it's like rock hard from the fridge. So I'm just gonna let that soften for a little while before I start baking. But this is the box cake that I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna show you guys what Pinterest says about making this into like a bakery type taste, I guess. But this is the super moist, sick, French vanilla Betty Crocker box mix. And I used just the plain white cake mix last time, but the blog post, someone commented that the French vanilla super moist one was better. So I'm gonna try that one this time. And then basically the rule is you add more eggs. So you follow this recipe, but instead of like 3 eggs, you put 4 eggs. And instead of a half cup of vegetable oil, you replace that with butter, but double it. So I would use a cup of butter, which are those 2 sticks right there. And then instead of 1 cup of water, you use 1 cup of milk. And that's supposed to transform this into bakery cake. And when I did this with the vanilla, like the plain white cake, it actually did taste like bakery cake. So I'm not sure what kind of a difference this is gonna make. I'm sure it's gonna make obviously some kind of difference because it's a different flavor, but I think it's because it's the super moist version. That's what everyone said to use when they commented on that blog. And then the frosting recipe I'm using is just a plain vanilla buttercream frosting. And all that's in this recipe is powdered sugar, butter. So I'm actually gonna be using 3 cups of butter total. 2 cups in this and then a cup in the frosting, which just seems like so much butter to me. So again, it's powdered sugar, butter, heavy cream or heavy whipping cream, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. So it just seems pretty simple. And hopefully it's like thick enough to pipe on the cupcakes really well. So once this softens, we'll go ahead and get started. Oh, I do want to show you guys really quick. The other day I was brave enough to take the twins all the way out of town to West Des Moines, and we went to Home Goods because I like Home Goods a lot. I like it better than TJ Maxx because it just seems they have a lot more stuff than our TJ Maxx has. But I want to show you guys, I picked up this cupcake holder so I could transport these cupcakes if I end up making them to she's having a birthday party at a gymnastics like studio or gym. But I stopped by Nordstrom Rack and I picked these up for Aniston. They're the rose gold Adidas. Hopefully you can pick up the color. But yeah, they're the rose gold version and they're so stinking cute. And then I also picked up a pair of black ones because I really wanted her to have both pair, but these are a size 9 and those are a size 10. But they honestly look like they're the same size when you hold them kind of up together. So both of them fit her, so I think we're just gonna keep both of them and just let her wear the black ones first. But what I really wanted to show you guys were these for the twins. They only had one of each of these and I saw them and thought I need to have them. But they're just little mini or Mickey shaped bowls. And it says it's my first feeding set and it has a little spoon down there. And it says 4 months plus, but I don't think we'll start solids at 4 months. That's a little bit early, like for me, like personally to start. But when I saw them, I had to get them. And I can link these down below for you guys if you're interested because they're on Amazon and they're like super affordable. And it's just so sneaking cute for like their first feeding, like getting pictures and stuff. And obviously actually using them afterwards. But I thought these were really, really cute. I'm just like obsessed with them.
Yeah. I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl. But now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I
only like a friend. Till we met the other day. Didn't want the night to end. And now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. You're stuck inside my mind, deep inside my mind. I think that now's the time. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Ain't spending this summer alone. Hey, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm counting hours, minutes, seconds, faster. Hurry, make it happen before we know it.
So that is adorable. I'm just gonna do this color blue, I think. It took a few drops to get this color, but I added some colored sprinkles and the shark. So I'm definitely gonna make them for her birthday party in April because honestly, it was pretty easy and they taste so good. And as far as the, this, I'm cleaning it right now, it's in the sink, but this frosting dispenser, highly recommend it. It was so easy, so affordable, you guys, so cheap, and it's in the description box. But seriously, I'm so excited. I'm proud of myself because I don't bake, and normally I never bake correctly. I always mess it up, but it tastes amazing, and I know she'll be really excited about her shark cupcakes. Hi. You guys, they never smile on camera. I've tried a million times to get them to smile on camera. And I think that babies just instinctively won't smile when you want them to. But anyways, since I've been home so often, I've been pretty much like taking up TV shows that I've wanted to watch and haven't been able to. And this is like a really like random TV show, but on Hulu they have all the episodes of the OC. Now this was out whenever I was, I think, in high school, maybe even middle school, and I never watched it, but I was on Hulu and saw it, and I forgot it had Adam Brody in it. And I don't know if you guys know who that is, but Adam Brody, I had the biggest crush on him when I was in school. He was in this skateboard movie called Grind, and I just like fell in love with him. I had such a crush on him. So that's why I started watching the OC. What are you doing? But so I'm curious to know like what or who was your childhood crush? Like we all have that one crush from like TV or a movie you've seen. So I'm just curious, when you were like 13, 14, like who was your just like boy crush? Because I'd love to know like who you guys liked. Because I forgot all about me having a crush on Adam Brody. Because I haven't seen him in a movie in a long time. And I looked him up when I saw the OC. And he's actually married to Leighton Meester from Gossip Girl. So that was very interesting. But yeah, let me know in the comments who your childhood crush is. Or was. Was. Why is my... Oh, my door's open. Alright, you guys, I am going to end this vlog here because it's dark outside, almost. It looks lighter on camera than it actually is, which is strange. But since I don't have my vlog mount, my camera mount thing that works, I'm still looking for one. So anytime anyone wants to recommend one, let me know. And my camera's not going to focus because it's getting dark. So I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. This vlog was kind of all over. I felt like it was a lot of music, but it's never going to focus. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you like seeing mom vlogs. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Yeah, we're chilling, I just, you and